it finally happened. After only a month, my best-selling product of all time just got banned off Amazon. Here's why. Oh, is this classic YouTuber clickbait, or did this thing actually get banned? I mean, it's banned off of my store. So I can finally tell you guys the product that I've been selling the past month. This is it. I have moved almost 100 of these things. Actually, let me show you, 78 to be exact. I moved 78 of these in the past 30 days for over $3,000, and it's now banned off of my store. Now, it's not actually banned by Amazon, okay? Amazon didn't ban the item or anything like that. Unfortunately, it got banned by other resellers. Other resellers finally figured out what this item was. They started undercutting the market, and now it no longer meets my minimum requirement for margins on my Amazon store. So I'm officially done with it, but now I can finally tell you a little bit about the product, how I found this item, how I made so much money off of it this past month, and what I'm going to do next to find my next item. What's up, guys? SoulState from Juiced. Guys, just real fast, do me a favor. Sign up for Juiced right now. It's 100% free. Just sign up for it. Thank you very much. While you're down there, check out my link tree. That's where all my socials are, so be sure to check it out. We got some fun stuff going on down there, so be sure to check that out. So, as I mentioned in the lead, my number one product off Amazon is gone. Basically, what happened is this was a toy that was selling on Target. I picked Target because, as I discussed in a video earlier, it's a big box retailer. It was widely available. I was able to get as many as I wanted for a pretty decent price. All in, it was $14.39, and I was moving them on Amazon anywhere between $31 to $35, $36 at its peak. If you look at it right now, check out the price. It's like 20 bucks on Amazon. Basically, what happened is a lot of people saw that this was a quick moving item on Amazon. You could make pretty decent margins on it, and then all of a sudden, Target put the item on sale. They discounted the item from $14.39 all the way down to about $11. I quickly snagged up 10 of these things, and with discounts, I got it all the way down to $96 for 10 items. And quickly after that, the price fell on Amazon from $32.41, which was my lowest price, all the way down to a low of $18.41. It's gone up a little bit since then, but unfortunately, this product got killed by other Amazon resellers. And you know what? It happens. This is the nature of the game. This is what happens whenever you find a product that resells so well. Eventually, it will come to an end. It's always sad to see an item that has been my consistent seller that made me a lot of money this past month ultimately just get taken away. So now we have to regroup. What do we do now? Well, we're in April, and I don't have a new bell cow item yet. I'm working on it. I've got a few that I'm testing right now, but none that are as profitable or as promising as the fish toy was behind me. So you guys can come along on this journey with me to find my next bell cow item. Over the next few episodes, I am going to document the process of me trying to find one, and hopefully you guys can come along the process with me and find one yourself. Obviously, I'm not going to give away the main one that I find, but I promise I will find you guys a good item. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to like this video to push it through YouTube's algorithm. Guys, we got to get this content out there, okay? We got to get the Amazon FBA, Amazon manufacturer fulfilled or merchant fulfilled stuff out there, okay? Be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. Come along on the journey with me. Be sure to subscribe to Juiced right here on this channel and join the Discord, 100% free, linked down below. I'm posting items every single day. Last week, I posted 22 items that made you an average of $12.22 per item. Literally, all you have to do is click the link, buy the product, and list it. So be sure to join up. Be sure to check out Juice. Be sure to subscribe right here on the channel. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. This is SoulState from Juiced, signing out.